This beautiful mother has so much to give us. Listen to her. What's she saying? Oh, yeah. What is the mother telling you? What is she telling you today? What wisdom does she have for you? Find that power within you. You have it. It's in your body. You and she are one. Let your mind surrender to this beauty and this power. You're going to be all right. You are not your mind. Your mind is your servant. Allow it to be courageous. Courageous enough to enjoy this epic power and beauty of the mother. Are you ready for the storm? The storms are coming. You know, saying goes, the shaman sees a storm coming, you get the surfboard. The idea there being, it's not so much that you can do anything about the things happening in the world coming your way, but how you experience them, you can do something about. Your attitude, how you feel in the moment, being present, being positive. These are your choices. And of course, if you're having trouble choosing how you experience any given situation or event, it could be because of imprints from your past lives, even, that are held deep within your soul, that are like imprints that control your experience and control your perceptions and your attitudes. And it's the shaman's work to clear those. This is what we do. We're actually able, with the help of our teams of non-physical forces of nature and spirits, to be able to clear those from you so that you're free of them. You're free and in your power. You're totally free, in your power, and able to more consciously and deliberately choose what you're feeling in the moment, what you're thinking, your attitudes about things, your experiences of them, and even have some influence on what gets brought your way, where you happen to be at any given time. So I would encourage you, if you find those things to be difficult to do, to call on shamans to help. You know, you can email me at jon@dreamingintobeing.com and get a session or two, and we're able to work from the inside out. You know, kind of call it swimming downstream instead of upstream against the current. You want to clear these things from the depths of your soul first, and then do some ritual or ceremony that helps clear it, like blowing into a stick and burning it, creating an ancestor altar, these types of things, very simple things. And then, you know, change your habits of thought. We can help you to change your belief systems. I use the theta healing to actually change the core beliefs that form like the linchpin in the house of cards of many beliefs. We're able to track down to the deepest belief, and once we change that, it changes all the rest permanently. And so the work is quite comprehensive, and I would definitely encourage you to explore it, to get a hold of me, to look at options for working together. And yeah, that's it for today's walk and talk with the pending storm. The afternoon before the storm comes in this evening, I've heard, a storm that California hasn't seen in possibly 16 years. So it's going to be big. But hope you can all hunker down tonight, stay warm, find excuses to feel good, cheerful, think good thoughts, enjoy whoever's around you, enjoy being with yourself, and yeah, so I'll look forward to hearing from you and speaking to you again soon. All right, take care. Listen to the voice of the mother. What do you hear? Is she powerful? This is your mother. Love her, respect her, thank her. Be grateful for all of it. All that she does. All her power, her glory, her messiness, her intensity. It is a great privilege to be here. And it's a tremendous birthright as well to receive her gifts unconditionally. Be grateful for your beingness. Be grateful for your body for being here. When you go non-physical, trust me, you can't wait to come back. The next movie might be a lot better than this one, and you know that. All right. Take care.